Zen looks small until you open the view counts. Only 26 public uploads are visible on this page today. Yet the top night survival video passed 7.7 million views. Two more videos passed 3.9 million and 1.8 million. That gap is the opportunity, but numbers are not enough. Scroll down and ordinary questions keep returning. Could early humans survive the night? What does pain reveal? These ideas make sense before you know any science. Each promises an answer hidden inside familiar life. Open a top video and the story uses simple reveals. Hand-drawn figures, timelines, and arrows explain it. The hook does not depend on a face or costly footage. The common mistake is copying a title and stopping. A strong test needs a mystery, a story, and visible change. If the idea stays abstract, diagrams cannot rescue it. I would study this format because the proof is public. You can repeat the system without copying the creator. It is worth testing, but it never guarantees growth. The channel research is ready so we can test the system. Copy the topic request and paste it into the chat. It includes Zen's uploads, top videos, and audience. Those rules make the model screen ideas before replying. As you can see, 10 options appear instead of one guess. Several are clear, but some carry health or evidence risks. The baby memory idea already has tension and a story. That is usable provided the science stays careful. Now move that choice into the script request. Keep the missing years hook and the accuracy warning. This turns the idea into speech, not a padded title. The draft opens with a missing chapter in your own life. Then it explains language and a changing memory system. Repeated days add a second reason, which keeps it moving. This sounds natural enough to test, not blindly publish. Next, copy the closed folder line into the visual request. Add the hand-drawn colors and simple timeline look. A single sentence gives the image a focused job. The model gives us a child, an adult, and a timeline. The closed folder makes the memory gap easy to show. This is ready to generate after one last fact check. The voiceover is ready, so now it needs matching images. Open the image tool and paste the first JSON prompt. This prompt came from the 30-foot campfire frame. Keep the canvas at 16:9 and generate one image. Notice the rough black lines and flat ochre circle. The red arrow makes the safe distance easy to read. The fire should stay centered without extra objects. Check the label before accepting the result. If the words drift, rewrite only the text instruction. Now paste the prompt for the blue-orange-blue watch. Those three blocks make the night rotation visible. The result stays simple, so it is usable in motion. For the third image, paste the waveform prompt. A yellow bolt breaks the smooth line into noisy waves. That change explains the sentence without extra clutter. All three images share off-white space and flat color. They also use uneven outlines and hand-lettered labels. A crowded frame would be a reason to regenerate. These results are clear enough to move into editing. The Zen-style script is ready. Now it needs a voice. Open the link in the description and choose text-to-speech. This is where the finished text becomes an audio asset. Search for a calm voice, not the loudest one. Daniel sounds steady enough for a factual explainer. Clear and credible matters more than dramatic delivery. Paste the full Ancient Night excerpt into the editor. The wording stays untouched because this is a voice test. Start with stability near the middle of the range. Too much can sound flat, while too little may wander. Click Generate and wait for the first take to finish. Play the opening and listen closely to the first pauses. The pace is even, and the words remain easy to understand. Daniel stays calm when the Ancient Night hook begins. The pause after the question feels natural, not forced. A rushed pause or unclear name would need another pass. If that happens, adjust one control and test again. This take sounds stable enough, so download the audio. It can now join the matching images in the editor. A good voice supports the story. It cannot promise views.